Hi everybody, Cindy the Scrapologist on Etsy again. I'm here to show you another flip through of one of the folios available in my shop. Another one made by my mother. Mom said, I made a few things for your shop. She often contributes. It's kind of a mother-daughter shop. And she came over with an entire case of beautiful, absolutely beautiful, stunning items from my shop, so I'm trying to get them all listed now. This one is really unique and very sturdy, very sturdily made. It's what I would consider to be a folio. It actually doesn't open. What it does is there's a slot on each side, on the left and the right, and your items pull out of the slot. One on the left and one on the right, and the pockets don't communicate on the inside, so your items don't hit each other. In other words, there's a separate pocket on the left and a separate pocket on the right. And then you've got these beautiful photo mats. And actually these open up. And it's using the gorgeous Graphic 45 Botanical paper that I wish they would redo, because I made a couple of albums with this paper and I loved it. They sold immediately. So pretty. Everything's nicely labeled so you know where to put your photos. And on the front you've actually got one, two, well, let me take them all out. You've got more than 3 pockets here. So she's got a lot of goodies tucked in there for you in the first pocket. And more photo mats in the second pocket, and a really cool tag in the third pocket, and then the fourth pocket, another tag. All fits so nicely in here, and this thing is not going to fall apart on you. Mom really shows attention to detail when she does her books. They're just beautiful. And then these slide back in. Super easy. Slide that back in, and there you go. Isn't that gorgeous? Well, I hope you head over to my Etsy shop and take a look. I have 2 of these available in the shop. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.